Morning, it's day 4. It's about 6:20 in the morning, June 13th. I stopped at a hotel last night, tried to get dried out. It rained pretty hard at the race, so all my stuff was pretty well soaked through. And I couldn't find any camping real quick, and I didn't want to try to set up in the rain. So, got a hotel. I'm at a Super 8. It's about $100 for the night. Well worth it though. Got everything charged up, got everything dry, so I want to make a big push today. About 80 miles from the Ontario border. When I get there, I'll stop at a rest area real quick and grab a map, try to find some camping sites, and try to do at least 2 more gas stops today. Maybe do another 400 miles, so we'll see. Check in later. Yummy. A little chicken, a little rice, and my free bottle of Frank's Red Hot sauce I got from the F1 race.